Hi guys, in my previous video I unboxed a Samsung T7 SSD for you. Now I'll unbox a Transcend 1TB SSD. Let's get going. So this is the Transcend ESD 270C. The packing is quite good, and this is a 1TB SSD and quite nice actually, not heavy. Let's open it now. The housing for this is a plastic one, which is quite nice and sturdy. The SSD also, it has got a matte finish on the surface, but on one side it is a little shiny, and it has got a USB-C port, which is good. The speed actually is about half of that of a Samsung T7, which is generation 3.2 USB. In the other box are the cables. One has got two USB-C connectors on both sides, and one has got one USB and one C USB. This shows the SSD Transcend, which is a 1 TB drive. This is my older SSD, which is 500 GB. This is the SanDisk. So this is what it looks like now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add both Samsung as well as Transcend. On the Samsung, I'll be doing all my video editing and not on my computer hard disk. So all the editing will be done on the Samsung SSD, because it's quite quick, and I will sync this with my Transcend, so they are always in sync, so I always will have a backup copy. So that is the idea. I hope you like the unboxing of Transcend as well as Samsung. I'll give links to both the drives that I have, so you can have a look at it. If you did like these unboxings, please do click the like button, do share, and also subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.